Well, this is the larger of the two Felspar hand decorated platters, 15 inches, starting with the back unusually. Just showing you these kiln marks here, which are quite distinctive on it. Very deep base plate, just an impress mark 4 there, but no indication of the factory or manufacturer, unfortunately, on any of these pieces. We've done extensive research on them. You've seen the video on the smaller of these two platters that we've got, which is just over 13 inches. Beautifully hand decorated in this green and turquoise enamel, underglaze, and then painted over with the enamels, so the end finish is overglazed. There are some indications that this has been in a rack at some time during its existence, probably on display, and that explains why it's in such good condition on the actual surface. There aren't any knife marks on this at all. Don't think it's physically been used. I think this has been on display for all of its probably 180 to 200 years that it's been made. A beautiful thing, extremely rare. This is Felspar Porcelain China, probably made by Copeland Garrett around 1820 to 1830s. Translucent, the light comes through it if you've put a bright light behind it, unlike with an ironstone platter that you won't see anything through. This is most definitely a porcelain mix. And just absolutely stunning in this sort of floral hand decorated design. Greens and turquoises, border design coming around here. It's got 6 indent mouldings on the rim, as you can see there. Quite a deep platter. If I show you the side elevation with that deep base rim plate here, how that survived, because it's not that thick. Again, I think this has been on display. You can see here the little bits of ware where the plate rack's been holding this on display, and I think that is why that rim has survived and hasn't got chips out of it, because quite often you would expect to see that on something that's 200 years old if it had been heavily used, and this hasn't. Beautiful thing. We've got this and a slightly smaller one, 3 or 4 other pieces in the same design coming online. We've not been able to find any exact matches on lens searches on all elements of the pattern, which isn't that unusual with hand decorated, hand painted things, because they are all pretty much unique. But you'd expect to find something close, and we just haven't, that suggests this is quite a rare piece indeed. Description link below will take you through to the website listing for this platter. We do have the slightly smaller one available as well, and all the information that you require that we've managed to find from our research on this will be on the website listing, so do click through and have a look at that. Thanks for watching.